Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Meet again with me Alexander Wael from American Marine Polytechnic Semarang. And now I will tell you about how to conduct routine VHF communication according to Standard Marine Communication Process or SMCP. Before we entering the material, let's get to know what is SMCP. SMCP is Standard Marine Communication Process. It is navigational and safety communication from ship to shore, ship to ship, and onboard ship must be practiced simple and unambiguous to avoid confusion and error. There is a need to standard the language used. However, on this occasion, I will not really review SMCP, but rather how to conduct routine VHF communication, and then first is how to conduct initial call. Initial call is used to call another ship. As for the structure of the initial call is 1. Call contains a name, call sign or other identification, for example, the MMSI number of the vessel you are calling, 1 until 3 times. Number 2, identify yourself, same as above, is name, call sign, or other identification, for example, the MMSI number of our vessel, 1 until 3 times. Number 3 is a say on VHF channel 16. And number 4, say over. Over means that the transmission is turned over to the other party. Sometimes in the initial call we can also ask about other things, such as making sure if other party can hear well. Talking about channel, spelling of alphabet, especially for spelling the call sign. For example, motor vessel Diamond Castle, motor vessel Diamond Castle, motor vessel Diamond Castle, India Romeo Sierra 5, this is Seaborn, this is Seaborn, this is Seaborn, Golf Foxtrot Charlie Charlie. Calling you on VHF channel 16, how do you read me? Over. That's for the example. There are several methods used to assign position. Number 1 is latitude and longitude. Latitude and longitude can use when clear of land, near a clear coast, and when geographical names may be confusing. Number 2 is bearing and distance. Bearing and distance can use when near of land or sea mark, and when there is possibility of chart with different datums being used. Warning: dangerous wreck in position 015 degrees 34 minute north, 061 degrees 29 minute west. And then, for example, your position bearing 137 degrees from Big Head Lighthouse, distance 2.4 nautical miles. Repeat or I say again, it used when an important message or part of a message is repeated. For example, Seaborn, Seaborn, Seaborn. Delta Kilo Echo 5. This is Garland. This is Garland. This is Garland. Golf Foxtrot Charlie Charlie. Intention: I will alter course to port. Repeat: I will alter course to port. Over. Say again is used when message or part of a message has not been clearly understood. For example, Garland, Garland, Garland. Golf Foxtrot Charlie Charlie. This is Seaborn, this is Seaborn, this is Seaborn. Delta Kilo Echo 5. Say again. Over. How to correct message using mistake correction. Mistake correction is used when incorrect information has been given and passed through. For example, my draft aft is 6.5 meters. Mistake correction: My draft of is 7.5 meters. Message marker. In SMCP has 8 message marker, and the 8 message marker is 1. Instruction, 2. Advice, 3. Warning, 4. Information, 5. Question, 6. Answer, 7. Request, and the last one is intention. I will tell about one of the message marker, its instruction. This indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to influence other by a regulation. Example, instruction, do not cross the fairway. And number 2 is advice. That indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to influence other by a recommendation. Example, advice, stand by on channel VHF 69. And number 3 is warning. That indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to inform about danger. For example, warning, obstruction in the fairway. Number 4 is information. This message marker indicates that the following message is restricted to observe, fact, and situation. For example, information, motor vessel Seabourn will overtake to the west of you. And number 5 is question. The question indicates that the following message of interrogative character. For example, question, what is your present max draft? And the next one is answer. This message marker indicates that the following message is the reply to a previous question. For example, answer, my present max draft is 0.7 meters. And then we have message marker request. This message marker indicates that the following message is asking for action from other with respect to the vessel. For example, request, I require 2 tacks. And the last one is intention. This indicates that the following message inform others about intermediate navigational action intended to be taken. For example, intention, I will reduce my speed. That's all about how to conduct routine VHF communication according to SMCP. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry if I have mistake when informed to you. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you.